Greetings, citizen. I see you managed to make it into our fair city from the zombie-filled wasteland. Good for you. Well, let me do you a kindness. I'll give you a rundown of your new home. That giant wall you passed through is the Great Circle, and as you guessed, it's used to keep the zombies out. At the top of the mountain is the Dragon Emperor. He's the head honcho around here. It's his mountain, we are just living on it. Until he decides we don't. Below the Dragon's Spire are the Elven Reaches. Chilly forests with fancy estates for the hoity-toity elves and their chilly personalities. Of course, I've never been. Below them is the Stronghold. That's where the dwarves bury themselves deeper into the heart of the mountain. Also not very accommodating to folks that aren't them. Just outside of there is some more greenery and fancy houses with Gnome Town and Big Burrow. Those are neighborhoods for gnomes and halflings. I never really figured out the difference between the two. But I've heard good things about the restaurants in Big Burrow if you can get in. As you may have noticed, our fair city is broken up into neighborhoods of folks that tend to look like each other. Now in the village, that's in the middle of the mountain, and that's where human folks and others mix. It's a bit of a middle-class neighborhood, as long as you don't cause too much trouble. Now, we've also got Wizard's Way. That's the place with all the floating towers, and the garret. Because, every city needs a Supermax prison. And last but not least, Goblin Town, where we find ourselves now. That's where the rest of the mountain shoves the poor and anyone else who don't look like them. But drink it in. You can smell every shade of brown here. Well, that'll be 5 silver for the tour and for not stabbing you.